Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli kini di mana bagi advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya tadi. Papinjit kerpang ni kini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinjok buat kijing pedla. Bat kiberta kishula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Oh, tama. Bilay si Bon.
Hadin balami ke jing thombor da ki pulit jongka Assam ya ki paidbah ki besong basa Malang Salbari hakaba kilong keme kilami paidbah ban persha ya ki pulit ka Assam ki ba persang ban pentot ya ka jing tre hakaba la yo I ba ki pulit kila thombor ya ki paidbah da ka bajrong kati bat sho nakaliang menteri rang ba ka jela u Conrad ke sangma menta ka singi ulaya tho ba ula batha ya ki pulit bakin penlong ya ka jing toket bat akamet jongka apsau tre ulayo ban ya kren ba u menteri rang ba ka jela Assam u Himanta baswa sarma bakum kani ka jingja kan omja sho.
We have asked our police to investigate on this issue, and last evening itself I had a discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and he has assured me that necessary instructions will be given to the SP and the police of the district to ensure that these kind of situations do not happen again, and we need to make sure that whatever the situation may be, we need to handle it with care, and we need to show restraint. And he was also concerned about this issue, and he has assured me that he will get the necessary actions done in terms of informing them that these kind of incidents should not happen in the future, and the police will be asked and informed and instructed to maintain restraint, especially keeping in mind that discussions regarding the border issue are still on. So therefore, to avoid any kind of confusion and any aggravation of situation, these kind of acts should be avoided. Yeah. So therefore, I have asked Honorable CM that necessary action should be taken, and these kind of incidents should not be allowed to happen in the future.